Alright guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the Mod Watches channel. So today I want to show you a very special piece that I have been working on for the last couple of days, and this is a first on the channel. As you can see, this is the Seiko poker mod, or the Seiko Royale. Now I'm not sure what the name for this is, but let me know in the comment section below. But yeah guys, take a look at this watch. What do you think? Please let me know in the comment section below. It's the first time that I've made one of these, and it's come out really well in my opinion. And yeah, so this one is going out to a customer. We're just about to post it, and I thought, you know what, this is too nice not to share on the YouTube channel. So here we are. This is in a gold colorway, so the customer's gone for a gold bracelet. You can see this is a presidential bracelet, all nice and stickered up, and they've also gone for the green colorway on the dial. And then we have the fluted bezel all around. This is a 40mm size, so very nice size here. And then we also have an NH35, which is basically running the time. So we've got the Seiko NH35 in there, which is running the time on the watch. Take a look at that, guys. Now I just want to give you a couple of seconds just to look at this shining in the sun, because it's absolutely blinding when you have it in the sun. Now the sun's just gone down a little bit, so this is kind of in a cloudy environment, and you can see it is stunning, simply stunning. And I think this design is one of those Marmite designs where either you like it or you hate it. But in my opinion, this is a beautiful watch, and if you're looking for a piece that's a conversation starter, something that stands out, this is the piece to go for, because it's gold and it's also got these very you know, Casino Royale type of indices going on, and it's a very different piece. So someone's going to look at it and be like, oh wow, that's something different. So it's a very good conversation starter. And it's, you know, if you're just getting into Seiko mods, you might actually like this. So if you want to purchase it, go ahead and find the link in the description below. This is ready to purchase. This one's going out to a customer, but obviously when you order, there's a 5-week waiting period. So as soon as you place your order, it takes about 4 to 5 weeks for us to build a watch. We get all the parts in. We also, you know, some of the customers have asked, you know, why does it take so long to get the parts in? Well, it's not just the parts, it's also getting round to building it, because we have a backlog of orders, guys. So, you know, you guys have really been supporting us, so I really want to thank you for that. So there's, you know, there's a lot of orders that are still pending, if you know what I mean. So they're in the list. When you order, you know, you go into the list, and then when we get to your order, we send it out as soon as possible. So yeah, this is on a 30-meter water resistance, guys, so you can wash your hands. But if you want to have a shower, you want to go swimming, best to take this off. But yeah, if you're wearing this watch, you'll probably have it on the wrist when you're not swimming or you're not diving around. I'm sure you'll be wearing this watch in an environment where you're not really getting wet, so to speak. So anyway, let's get back to business. So this, if you want to purchase this, there is a link in the description below. You can go straight to the website, make your purchase. If you want to discuss changing some of the bits and bats on this watch, you might want to do this in silver, you might want it in a 36mm rather than a 40mm. All is possible. You want to change the bracelet to a Jubilee, absolutely no problem. Hit us up on the WhatsApp line below if you want to discuss anything. We are more than happy to help you guys out, more than happy to have a chat. Alright, so I'll leave it there. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.